Hello, and today we're gonna unbox food from my fridge. So here we have one fridge, and there's me on the fridge. It's a picture of my dog Lizzie. It's a picture of me and my girlfriend. And right then there's a calendar. Today's April. And what we're gonna do? We're gonna unpack some food from my fridge. So let's have a look here. We've got some Lurpak, some egg mayonnaise, some Asda egg mayonnaise. I just had a dinner, so I'm not sure what I want to eat, so I've got some chicken here. Look at this chicken. No, it's turkey. Well, some eggs. I don't want any eggs. So anyway, and then you take the turkey from the fridge. Sometimes you have a fridge with the closing door, and then you take the food out. I'm not going to do it because I just had food, so you find the end, which is peely. This corner by here is the peely bit. No, this bit by here, sorry. And then you can peel it, you get a plate out, and then you put it on the plate, or you can, what the hell is this for? This is, I have no idea what you put in a sandwich or something. You put £2 plasters. Now to put stuff back in the fridge, you've got to, obviously you've got to take in, and you've got to open the fridge door, like you did last time. And then you've got to put this back where you found it, and it's up there, I think, and that's it. And you close the door again, and that's it. And I hope you found my unpacking of food from the fridge helpful when you try and do it next time and putting it back. Thank you.